In this video, we'll unpack the Turkish Airlines Lacoste Inflight bag that we received on a flight from Istanbul to Ho Chi Minh City. So, from Turkey to Vietnam. There were a few colors available. This one is blue, but there were also red and green options. You could even ask the flight attendants if you preferred a different color or wanted a second bag. This blue version feels like it's made from high-quality fabric. Definitely a bag you'd want to reuse for personal items. It looks great. Let's open it. There's a small plastic security pin, which shows the bag hasn't been opened before. Let's break it open. Might be easier with my hands. Yes, now the pin is off, and we can properly open the Lacoste special in-flight bag from Turkish Airlines. Right away, we see a toothbrush. A standard plastic one, nothing fancy. Everything else inside is blue, matching the bag. I assume if you picked a red or green version, the contents would match that color. Let's take everything out. Now that it's empty, I can tell the bag is really good quality. I'll probably reuse it for my own toiletries. Next, here's the toothpaste. A 2-in-1 toothpaste with mouthwash, 5 milliliters, made in Australia. Not bad. Then, we have a pair of blue socks. Again, if I had picked a different color bag, I'd probably have different colored socks. They're good quality and have grips underneath, which is perfect for walking on the plane or in the bathroom without slipping. Next up, a blue eye mask. Looks comfortable, though I personally don't use them. Still nice to have. We also get a pair of blue earplugs. Again, probably color matched to the bag. Finally, we have a pair of slippers. They feel sturdy enough to last at least one flight. These are very practical for walking around during the flight, especially when going to the toilet, so you don't dirty your socks, whether they're airline issued or your own. So, in this Lacoste special edition Turkish Airlines amenity kit, we got slippers, an eye mask, socks, earplugs, a toothbrush, and toothpaste, all packaged in a stylish, reusable blue bag. This was part of the in-flight experience on Turkish Airlines from Istanbul to Ho Chi Minh City.